Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today, you all, is a video that I had intended for to be in October, but it did not make it. So I'm going to go ahead and include it in November. So this is one of my favorite totes from Dooney Bourke, and it is called the Tilly Tote. I actually shared this a couple times on my community post. This was like my favorite travel set so far. And it was in the color Dandelion, which I love, which is a very beautiful bright yellow. This particular color is called Clementine, which is a beautiful orange. And again, it is the Tilly Tote. I got this one at the same time as the Dandelion, but I had not unwrapped it or carried it. And you see the date is December 8th of 2023, 21 of 50. But y'all, this is, I would probably say this is my favorite Dooney Bourke tote. To me, the features of it, they're simple, but they are very exaggerated. And since they are exaggerated, it makes it a very easy carry. And by exaggerated, I mean, first of all, the straps itself are extremely long, but to me, they're perfect. And then even the pull tab, y'all, look how long the pull tab is on this tote. So that's what I mean by exaggerated. But it's perfect because you're not really trying to reach and find the pull tab. If you can't grab this quickly and just open this bag with no problem, something's wrong. So I love the long pull tab on this bag. And there's I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the straps as well. The other feature I like is that it has a pocket on the front and the back. So that's kind of what I mean as far as everything is kind of exaggerated, but not really. To me, it makes it the perfect tote, perfect carry, whether you want to use it as a purse, a work bag, a travel bag, you can do that very easily. It's very versatile. And with it being in pebble grain leather, maybe I should just do it the easy way. And see, oh, there they are. My sharp scissors should do the trick. So they are all of the colors, and it comes in a lot of colors. They are two-tone. The only one that's just one color is just the black itself. And y'all, this, when I got this was one of Dooney Bourke's everyday deals. I don't know if you all noticed, but they took the everyday deals away. Like, that's no longer an option on the I Love Dooney website. And they pretty much made them what was the everyday deals. They made it a part of the regular inventory. So, because usually the everyday deals did not really go on sale from what I recall. But these are now, as of now, they're on sale. But when I got it, when there was an everyday deal, that was the price every day. Like, it didn't really change, if I recall correctly. But the drop on this tote to me is perfect. It easily stays on my shoulder because of the straps, how the straps are made. And even with it being two straps, I don't have a problem with it being uncomfortable or anything on my shoulder. Let's see, hopefully I'll probably have to cut these too. But as I said, the black is the only one that comes in the solid color. Everything else is trimmed with the brown. But the color, you get so much leather. The brown trim, it doesn't take away from it at all. To me, it adds to it. And of course, that's part of the classic Dooney Bourke look itself. In the background, I do have my camera bag, which I paired with this as a travel set, so I had a purse and then as well the tote to use as a travel set. So I will unwrap the camera bag as well. This is the hang tag for it. As you see, it does also say Clementine Tilly Tote. And this is the pocket that I mentioned, the back pocket. It does go all the way to the bottom. So you can easily put your cell phone in there and keys. And then it does have the metal Dooney Bourke plate on the front. And then another pocket. Like I said, it goes all the way to the bottom. And the reinforced bottom, which I love. And the feet, of course. It has a wide base on it. So, I would say this silhouette is kind of similar to the Wren tote, but bigger. It also kind of reminds me of the executive tote as well, but the features of it make it completely different. It's just my favorite tote, y'all. From the straps to the pockets on the front and back to the feet, the pull tab. Like, there's nothing about this bag that I don't like. And I love how many, that it comes in so many colors as well. I think when this was an everyday deal, I want to say it was regular price or everyday price. I want to say it was about, I think it was $140. I know it was pretty close to $150, but not quite. And here is the key leash inside, the Dooney Bourke label there as well. But see how much space you have inside of this bag. And I'll include the measurements in the video as well. I'll put them on the screen. So the setup inside is just like a purse. It has a full slip pocket in front of the zipper. And then on the front side of the bag, it has 2 slip pockets. So that's why I say you can easily carry this as a purse. You can, whatever you need to throw in here and go, you can. But it can easily be used as a travel bag or work bag as well. So that is the Tilly Tote. As I said, I did include this on my community post. I may include the picture in here as well, just so that you can see how it looks on the shoulder, or at least maybe include the, I don't know if I can include the picture from the website, so that you can see the full shoulder drop on it. But that is it. And it does come with this dust bag, and it's probably a huge dust bag. It is. So that's going to fit in there perfectly. And then I'll go ahead and unwrap the camera bag as well. Let's see. So I do have, again, I mentioned I have this in the dandelion, which I have shared a picture of. And then also spearmint. The colors it comes in, it's almost every color that Dooney Bourke offers in pebble green leather, if I'm not mistaken. The black is very, very tempting, but I don't know, y'all. But this is the camera bag to match. Again, I think that's a very pretty set to have. To have this, to wear it as a crossbody. You can put a shorter strap on here if you want to carry it by the, like a top handle. But I carried it as a crossbody, and then the tote itself as my travel bag. But this camera bag, y'all, if you don't have a camera bag and you want a good size crossbody bag, it does have this beautiful outside zipper that's in the front with the Dooney Bourke metal plate. And the strap is detachable, so you can include or add whichever strap you want as a crossbody strap, which is what I did. I put a wider crossbody strap on it when I carry it. Does have the key leash, which jumped out first. And this is the crossbody strap. So it is a little narrow if you prefer a wider strap. And does have the Dooney Bourke dust bag. And this is a very soft purse as well. It doesn't have feet, if I did not mention that. Most crossbodies don't, some do. But this is the inside. So you have a slip pocket, registration card and sticker there. Dooney Bourke authentication label in the corner. And then a slip pocket on the front side. So this can hold a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and put the strap back inside. So you all comment and let me know if you are a fan of the camera crossbody bag or if you're a fan of the Tilly Tote. I feel like the Tilly Tote does not get enough attention, especially for the size that it is and how much it can hold and how versatile it is as well. Even with the hardware and how they attach the straps, like all of the details for the Tilly Tote, I really like. And again, this is another one of my favorite features as well, just to be able to easily pull the zipper to open and close the bag. Love it, you all. Let me know if you like it, if this is something that you would add to your collection, or if you have in your collection, what color you have. I would be interested to know what colors, other colors that people choose, or if it's the same color as well. I think that is interesting. So feel free to comment and let me know. But Clementine, even though it's a very bright, pretty orange, it does scream summer, spring, summer to me, but I carry these year round. But the other colors it does come in, as I mentioned, black. It comes in sky blue, spearmint, red, believe taupe, midnight blue, regular black with the brown trim. It comes in a lot of colors, y'all. So check out the Tilly Tote. The camera bag at the time, I think it's kind of limited on what colors it comes in. Last I checked, maybe 2, but I did not check Dooney.com. I only checked the I Love Dooney site. And that's where I got this from, was from both pieces I got from the I Love Dooney site. So you all, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, and sharing. I really do appreciate it. And as always, you all have a very, very wonderful day.